Let's go to the next news. Infinix has just introduced a new device. Now it is the Hot 54G edition because previously they had already introduced a 5G edition of this device. So join me to know the specifications of this mid-range device that integrates the Helio G100 processor. Its screen is 6.78 inches with LCD technology, full HD plus resolution, and has a refresh rate of 120 Hz with a peak brightness of 800 nits. In terms of front design, we see a slightly larger bezel at the bottom, which for 2024 perhaps it is very noticeable that it is a device focused on the entry-level range. In addition, in the camera module, we will find a rather interesting island design since the cameras are not circular but square with very rounded corners. And speaking of the cameras, it integrates 50 megapixel main camera with f1.6 aperture, and the rest is mere decoration, pure marketing. They are useless. But the front camera will be 8 megapixels, confirming that this configuration of cameras corresponds to a simple device. And in addition to the processor I already mentioned, it will come with up to 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. In fact, you can attach a micro SD card to extend this storage even further, although it has not been specifically communicated what RAM or storage technology it integrates, so we are not so sure how fast it could be. It has a 5000 mAh battery, supports 18-watt charging, and comes with Android 14 with some artificial intelligence features to generate wallpapers and a few additional things. For now, it has been introduced in Ukraine at an approximate price of $165. Surely in the coming weeks or months, we will see the arrival of this device in more regions. 1 peso.